drilling machine. It is a new type of high-efficiency hole-making machine. Construction machinery. It is often used to dig holes. It is convenient for the subsequent foundation piling work. Its structure is simple and flexible, installed at the front of the excavator, flexibly moved at the construction site, easy to operate. High drilling efficiency. Due to its strong drilling ability, hydraulic drive ensures that it can drill through various soil layers. Drilling speed is more than 100 times faster than manual drilling. The maximum width can be drilled is 2 meters. The maximum depth can be drilled is 18 meters. According to the actual working conditions, just choose the appropriate drilling rod. The hole is straight. The hole wall is smooth. It is an ideal equipment for drilling projects. Widely used in gardens, pile foundation, road signs, photovoltaic pile lead holes, etc. Strong and wear resistant, long service life.